Ciao beautiful people and welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all well. Today is another project showcasing the artymaze digital kit. So I'm doing quite a lot of guest design projects for the lovely Andrea, and today I'm so excited because this kit is absolutely huge. I never ever worked with a bigger kit like this, so you definitely get your money worth with this kit. Now we got a little problem that I filmed the first part of the video when I show you the paper, and unfortunately that footage is not saved. Silly me. So what happened, and then I used the paper, of course, so this is, I can only show you guys what I got left. Apologies about that, but what I would do, I will show you, I will film the screen on my laptop so you can see all the picture on the laptop. They would pretty much the same, guys, because they're still on a white background. So I love this kit. Of course, I will put the link of this kit in the info box, so you can just follow the artymaze Etsy shop and you can just buy it directly from the link. Okay, so as I said, a lot of pages. So you get these little envelopes with the insert in there that you can just simply tuck in. I love that. So you get two in there, beautiful. Then you get a page full of this embellishment, which I think is part of that, if I remember correctly. There are lovely tabs and banners. I love them, and I got two of those. Then you get a page with all your corners and your pockets. Then you get, is this straight? Yes, a page with, oops, stay there, don't move, with all these squares, which I'll show you in just a second what I'm using them for. Then again, one more with this lovely pockets and this embellishment. I love this. They're probably one of my favorite, and I'll show you what I've done with them. They lovely envelopes, scallop top envelopes. Okay. Okay guys, let me show you what I made. So I made two. I love them, so I called them myself gorgeous. I love them. I hope you guys like it too. The greeting cards, so they are thank you card. Again, I mount them on cream background, so I use some of my burlap fabric, and this is actually a real tape measure, so I thought it looked quite cute in there. And again, all these part of the kit with a little stamp. And then this is my own butterfly, because I think butterfly makes everything pretty. And again, a die cutter, you saw me using this a lot of time. So I use craft paper and a gold shimmery paper, and I distress all the card with my gilding wax. So that's one. And that's two. So this is a bit more, that's very detailed. This is a bit more simpler. Okay, I think they're both very effective, and I think this sort of kit with this sort of color palette, it works really well on craft cardstock. So, and you know how much I love the contrast with the craft pour kind of simple cardstock with the richness of the gold. I think is a really strong color combination. And then both of those cards have their own envelopes. I mean, look at that. It's absolutely gorgeous. So that's the back. I mean, look at the detail. And that is the front. I mean, if you send this to somebody for his birthday or her birthday, I mean, come on, love that. And that's again a bit more simpler. So that's the front and that's the back. And again, I distress all around with the gilding wax, and I put a little stamp that you can see on the kit. So those 2 cards, love them. Then I made 3 little notebooks / journal, but they're more like notebooks. And I've used my there was scrap paper that I coffee dyed and tea dyed, and some of them actually been stamped with this is a lace stamp that I have, and I think it works. I love blue, the combination blue and brown together. I think they're little, you know, little treat to put it in your happy mail. So I've got 1 little tiny one and 2 bigger one, and again, you know, people can put your notes or anything, you know, you can use it as a planner, anything. But look how cute they look, really, really pretty. And then I simply stapled them in the middle, simple as, really, really pretty. So I've got 3 of those. Then I made this huge huge, so this let's see if it shows all on camera. This is a brown envelope, so that is the back and that is the front. Okay, so I have used all the embellishment that you see on the kit to decorate it, and I put a pocket here in the corner, again part of the kit. And then these are just ephemera that you can see in there. I mean, super pretty. So that's the card, and then just two generally postcards. I mean, look, at stunning. And because there is a lot of detail in the card themselves, they're just, you know, just so detailed. And then the back, I cut the scallop from the same kit from the envelope there. See, so that's the same, and I glue that in there. And then there is another pocket on the back. I mean, look at that. And then again, there is another card, really pretty. And then you see on the kit, they are little tickets, but how pretty they are, and the way that Andrea designed them. So you can just fold them like that. So you just cut them and fold them, and I glue them front and back. So, and then you can just cut them when you need them and decorate them, or you can just leave it like that as a ephemera for your journal. So that's that. And then I left this for last because it's my favorite. So there is a little paper clip decorated, which should keep this folio shut. Really, really pretty. Just using one on the stamp and some silver embellishment. So what I made is literally a folio. So it's a piece of cardstock cut in and folded in half. I used the card to decorate all the 4 sides, and then this is a 3-fold tags holder. Okay, so it opens like that, and you get all the tags that part of the kit. And I use a silver embellishment there. I absolutely love it. And then again, it folds, so it's got 1, 2, 3 on the front with all the different tags. And I used that. So what I did, I glued them just in here on the bottom, so that works as a little tag there. And then the back, they're literally the same. Okay, so you got 1 there and 1 there. Okay, so you just fold it like that, and it's just a little way, you know, little happy mail for somebody. Okay, and then you just close like this, and that's the paper clip. Okay, right guys, that's it. I hope you like my project. They're so fun to make. This kit is very versatile. Again, you can make anything for your journal, but also, as you can see, my greeting cards, because I love making cards, ephemeras, folios. You can make anything, guys. Notebooks, anything. Right guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to give me a massive, huge thumbs up, and don't forget to follow Andrea if you do not already. Again, you can find a link to purchase this kit just in my info box. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and until next time, stay safe and well.